Creating 1,000 monetizable AI-generated YouTube shorts for a faceless channel using AI automation is an exciting and innovative strategy to generate content at scale. With the power of AI tools, automation can handle everything from video creation to optimizing for engagement. In this video, I'll break down how you can achieve this ambitious goal and turn it into a profitable venture. Understanding the power of AI for content creation. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing content creation, especially for platforms like YouTube, where short-form videos are becoming increasingly popular. AI tools can now generate videos with little to no human input. From creating scripts to editing the final video, AI can help you automate the entire content creation process. This means you can produce high-quality YouTube shorts that engage audiences without having to be on camera. Tools like ChatGPT, Synthesia, and Lumen 5 can create scripts, voiceovers, and even animations, while platforms like Pictory or Runway can help automate the video editing process. With these tools, it's entirely possible to create hundreds or even thousands of monetizable shorts. Automating script writing with AI. The first step in creating AI-generated YouTube shorts is scripting. Writing compelling scripts is key to keeping your audience engaged in short-form content. With AI-powered writing tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, you can generate multiple scripts in a short amount of time. By feeding the AI with relevant keywords and topics, you can create tailored scripts for your shorts. These tools are capable of producing concise, catchy scripts that suit YouTube Shorts format, typically under 60 seconds. For instance, you could ask the AI to generate scripts around trending topics, motivational quotes, tech hacks, or even niche topics like food recipes, which are extremely popular in short videos. These scripts can easily be used to create engaging and monetizable shorts. Using AI for voiceovers and narration. Once the script is ready, the next step is to add a voiceover or narration to your shorts. You don't need a professional voice actor to make your content sound good. High-powered voice generation tools like Descript, 11 Labs, or Play.ai can help you create realistic, human-like voiceovers. These platforms allow you to customize the tone, accent, and speed of the voice, making it sound natural and engaging for viewers. You can even use AI to create different voices for different characters or scenarios, keeping your content fresh and dynamic. By automating this step, you save time while still maintaining a high-quality final product. Creating engaging visuals with AI video tools. Next, you need engaging visuals for your shorts. AI video creation tools like Pictory, Runway, or Lumen 5 allow you to automate video creation by simply feeding in your script or keywords. These platforms can turn written content into high-quality video, complete with animations, stock footage, and captions. You can add images, transitions, and special effects to enhance the video and make it more engaging. The AI handles the editing process, so all you need to do is upload your script, and the tool will generate a polished video. This significantly speeds up the video production process and allows you to scale quickly. Automating video editing. Editing is one of the most time-consuming parts of video creation. However, AI tools can now automate this process as well. With AI-powered video editors like Magisto, InVideo, or with Adobe Premiere Pro's Sensei AI, you can streamline the editing process, apply filters, and sync music to your videos. These platforms offer pre-made templates for YouTube Shorts that automatically adjust the video's length, making it perfect for the platform's 60-second video format. AI can also help optimize the pacing, making sure the video flows smoothly and engages the viewer from start to finish. By automating this step, you free up time to focus on scaling your content production. Optimizing for YouTube Shorts format. YouTube Shorts have specific requirements, such as being under 60 seconds and formatted in a vertical aspect ratio 9:16. Thankfully, AI tools can help automate the optimization of your videos for this format. Platforms like InShot, Capwing, or even Canva's video editing tool can automatically resize and adjust your videos to meet YouTube Shorts specifications. This ensures that your content will be fully optimized for the platform, reducing the risk of rejection due to format issues. Additionally, AI tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can help optimize the metadata for your shorts, including titles, descriptions, and tags, ensuring your videos are discoverable by the right audience. Automating social media distribution. Once your shorts are created, the next challenge is getting them in front of an audience. To maximize reach, you can automate the distribution process across social media platforms. AI tools like Buffer, Hootsuite or SocialBee can help schedule and distribute your shorts on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, ensuring your videos reach a wider audience. These tools allow you to post at optimal times when your audience is most active. By automating the social media posting process, you can ensure that your videos get maximum exposure without spending all your time managing your social media accounts. Monetizing your AI-generated YouTube Shorts. Now let's talk about how to monetize your AI-generated YouTube Shorts. The key is to create content that engages viewers and encourages them to subscribe, like, and comment. YouTube has a Shorts fund for creators, and once you qualify, you can start earning money based on the performance of your shorts. Additionally, you can monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and promoting your own products or services. I can also help you track the performance of your shorts using analytics tools like YouTube Analytics and Social Blade, which allow you to identify what's working and optimize your future content for maximum profitability. With consistent high-quality content and effective monetization strategies, you can start earning significant revenue from your AI-generated shorts. Scaling the AI business model. Once you've mastered the process of creating AI-generated YouTube shorts, the next step is scaling. To do this, focus on increasing your output while maintaining content quality. AI tools allow you to generate multiple videos in a short amount of time, so you can easily scale your production. You can also explore niche topics and create multiple channels focusing on different themes to diversify your income streams. As you scale, you may want to hire a team to help with tasks like channel management, audience engagement, and monetization. By automating as much of the process as possible and consistently uploading engaging, high-quality content, you can easily hit your goal of creating 1,000 monetizable AI-generated YouTube Shorts and build a thriving online business. Engaging with your audience and building community. While automation is crucial for scaling and efficiency, human interaction is still key to maintaining an engaged audience and growing your channel. AI can generate content at scale, but you still need to interact with your viewers to create a loyal community. Respond to comments on your videos, engage with your audience on social media platforms, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts and feedback. Building a relationship with your audience helps foster trust, which can translate into higher engagement rates, more subscribers, and increased revenue. Additionally, consider using AI tools like chatbots or automated responses to streamline communication, especially when managing a large volume of comments and messages. Encouraging community participation, such as running polls or asking for input on future shorts topics, helps involve your audience in the content creation process. When viewers feel like they are part of the channel, they are more likely to stay engaged, share your content, and promote your brand. These interactions can create a snowball effect that boosts your reach and monetization potential. Moreover, regularly updating your content strategy based on viewer feedback can help ensure that your shorts continue to resonate with your target audience. The path to sustainable growth. By incorporating AI for creating, optimizing, and distributing YouTube Shorts and combining it with authentic audience engagement, you can build a sustainable and profitable business model. Automating content production frees up your time for more strategic decisions and community-building activities, while scaling your efforts ensures consistent growth. With 1,000 AI-generated shorts in your arsenal, you'll have the tools to keep your content fresh, engaging, and monetizable, driving both short-term success and long-term profitability. If you're ready to take the next step, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Join the community of creators leveraging AI to make money online, and let's make 2024 the year of smart content creation.